Okay, but every 40 minutes, this one have to pay to Arnold lah. That the downside lah for this. We try our best. Okay, right. Um, given the function hx is like this, find the h prime x in terms of k. Okay, jadi senang saja. Okay, wait, let me see. Oh, recording. Okay, right, recorded. So hx is given kx cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x. Now h prime x is equals to, okay, you do your differentiation. 3kx squared minus 4 times 2 is 8x minus 5. Okay, this is what you will get for your h prime x lah in terms of k. Right. And then the second question, find the value of k if h prime 1 is equals to 8. Kita dah settle soalan A, soalan B. We know that h prime x is equals to 3kx squared minus 8x minus 5. Now you replace the x with 1. So what you get? Okay. So you'll get something like 3k minus 8 minus 5. And the answer is equals to 8. So 8 is equals to 3k minus 13. Minus 13 you bring over there. So it becomes 13 plus 8 equals to 3k. So 21 is equals to 3k, and you know that k equal to 7. Okay, if you're done, let me know done as usual.
Done, sir.
Done 1,
Done, sir.
done 2, and done 3. All right, next. Find the value of constant alpha, A and B such that you differentiate this, you'll get this. So, kita buat our own differentiation, and then we compare with this answer lah. Okay, so what we have to differentiate? We need to differentiate 1 over 3x minus 2 cube. Okay, so when you do this, what do you get? We change the form first. Bring the denominator up first. So it becomes 3x minus 2 power negative 3. So when you differentiate this, you will get negative 3, 3x minus 2, and negative 4. And then we will rewrite the answer as negative 3. Let it be here because it is not with the power, negative power. Only your 3x minus 2 with your negative power, bring it down. It become like this. So this is what we get. And we compare with the answer that given to us. See, very easy one. So your A is equals to 3 and your B is equals to 4. Okay, A equals to 3 and B equal to 4.
Done, sir.
Okay, done 1.
Done, sir.
Done 2, done 3. All right. Next one. Given y is equals to 4x minus 3 over x squared plus 1, find dy dx and determine the range. Find dy dx. Okay, first part of the question. Second part of the question, determine the range value of x such that all values of y and dy dx are positive. Okay, the second part you will read later. Okay, we find out the dy dx. Okay, Ashmita, how to differentiate this function?
Question rule, sir.
Yes, why you use quotient rule?
Because it's division and
Because one
also got
function
two.
dividing another function. We use a quotient rule. So let u equals to 4x minus 3. So du dx, or you can write u prime lah. Tak kisah lah. So for x and v is equals to x square plus 1 Then dv dx is equals to 2x. And then do your quotient rule lah. So your dy dx is equals to, start from the v, x square plus 1 multiplied by 4x minus,
Sir,
yeah,
so sorry to interrupt. Sir, the du over dx not only 4.
yeah, correct. Yeah, only 4. Okay, so next one is, yeah, sorry, my bad. So you multiply like this lah. So 4x minus 3 multiplied by 2x and then divided by your v square. Okay, right. So try to simplify this. What they want? Okay, determine the range value of x such that all the value of y and dy dx are positive. Oh, okay. We try to simplify this function first. Okay, what we will have here? So dy dx is equals to 4x square. I times in plus 4. And then try to expand this side. 4x times 2x is 8x square. And then minus 3 times 2x is minus 6x. And divided by x square plus 1 square. Don't go and expand this. Okay. Okay, try to solve the top part. You got what you got here. 12x square minus 6x plus 4 over x square plus 1 square. Okay. So sampai sini saya rasa dah cukup. Okay, sekarang kita do the second part of the question. Second part of the question, what they tell you, the y is positive and dy dx also positive kan. Dalam matematik, okay, you nak cakap positif maksudnya apa dia? Greater than 0. Okay, so that means 12x square minus 6x plus 4 over x square plus 1 square greater than 0. Okay, dia nak range value of x. I don't think so I will have enough space here. Okay, yang ni kita darab dengan 0, dia akan hilang lah. So tinggal apa? 12x square minus 6x plus 4 greater than 0. Because 0 multiply the x square plus 1 square, dia akan jadi 0 balik kan? Okay, sekarang you cuba factorize this. Take out your calculator and factorize this. You tak boleh factorize, betul tak? Boleh ke you factorize?
Sir, I have a question. At the 4x times 2x, right, sir, isn't it negative 8x squared, sir?
Oh, yeah. I need to put this one right.
Yeah.
Okay, no wonder lah. Okay, kejap. Mana dia? Okay, this one supposed to be negative. I forget this. So what will be the step here? Negative 4x square, right?
Yes, sir.
So negative 4x square. Negative actually 6x and then plus 4. Last week I told you to be careful at this part. See, I do the careless mistake again. Okay, right. So negative 4x square plus 6x plus 4. Betul lah kali ni. Total. I think it's correct. Okay, right. So, and this one. Okay, this part very important. Okay, you all see here. Negative 4x square plus 6x plus 4 kan? Greater than 0. Kalau kita nak solve inequality, the easier method is try to make your A positive first. Baru kita boleh, apa yang kita cakap, kita nak factorize easy sikit lah. Okay, wait. Turunkan yang you're having network connection issue. Others will see the shared content update slowly until the network connection improve. Oh my god. Macam-macam lah. Okay, right. So, okay, so what we can do is multiply this whole thing with negative. Baru you boleh jadikan A kamu positif. So 4x square minus 6x minus 4 is less than 0. Ingat you punya simbol akan tukar when you multiply or divide with a negative number. And when you factorize this, before that, remember this is a quadratic inequality. Kalau quadratic inequality, macam mana kita solve? Kita akan solve by drawing by sketching a simple graph. We will use a graphical method, correct now? Or you can use a number line method. And if you see these things properly, you want to factorize this, it should be displaying like this. 2x plus 1. So you should be getting x equals to 2 and x equals to negative half kan. Jadi label di sini negative half, label di sini 2. So less than 0 means you shade in between. So your range value of x is negative 1 over 2 until 2. Hope that explains lah.
Done, sir.
Done true?
Done, sir.
Hey, done true. You blood dragon kah? Ashita, what's the sound there?
No, sir.
Right. Let me bring this down here. All right. Next one. The range value question வந்துச்சுன்னா, you need to be very careful. It's actually will ended up with quadratic inequality lah. So jangan kamu give up with the question. You need to understand the question first. Question dia cakap range value of x kan. Jadi you tengok lah when you do they tell what? You just follow the question. Dia cakap dy dx are positive. What is dy dx? Dy dx are positive means greater than 0. So what is your dy dx? Rewrite your dy dx and then you can solve the things lah. Okay, right. We try one more. The same similar type of question. Okay, now given y equal to x minus 2 and x over x square plus 5, find the range value of x such that y and dy dx are both negative now. Now it's a different case, negative case. Okay, right. So let u equals to x minus 2. So du dx is equals to 1. Let v equal to x square plus 5. So dv dx is equals to 2x only. 5 you cannot differentiate. When you differentiate a constant, it's 0. Okay, now you want to do your dy dx. Remember, we always start from v for quotient rule. So 1 multiplied by x square plus 5 minus bracket 2x multiplied by x minus 2. Lepas tu, bahagi dengan v square. X square plus 5 square. Okay? Baik. And then, we settle this. X square plus 5 multiplied by 1, you get the same thing. Minus, okay, kita buat yang ni. 2x darab x is 2x darab x is 2x square, but you got, wait, remove this, okay. 2x times x is 2x square, and you have a negative, so negative 2x square. 2x multiply negative 2 is negative 4x, and you multiply by this negative, so you should be getting 4x over x square plus 5 square. Jadi, kita cuba buat balik benda macam tadi tu. So, negative 2x square plus x square, kamu akan dapat negative x square plus 4x plus 5 over x square plus 5 square. Ini ialah dy dx kamu lah. Okay, now the second part of the question, they tell dy dx is negative, right? Less than 0. Negative dalam matematik membawa maksud apa? Less than 0. So, what is your dy dx? Dy dx dia, you follow the question, okay? Less than 0. Then, darab dengan 0, dia akan hilang lah. So, negative x square plus 4x plus 5 less than 0. And then, you need to make sure your a is positive, right? So, you multiply by negative. Negative, multiply by negative maksudnya multiply by negative 1 lah maksud dia. Okay, jadi x square minus 4x minus 5, no, not less than 0, because you're multiplying with negative, so the symbol will change, symbol of inequality. Jadi, kamu boleh factorize juga. Tapi make sure you do the working of showing which method are you using for your SPM. You kena bagi tahu either you are using a graphical method or your number line method to determine the inequality. Okay, kita cari dulu dia punya roots. X, 5, 1 kan? Okay. And wait. Negative 5 and positive 1 will give you negative 4. Okay. This is my 5. Okay. So, you know already the roots should be, betul lah, saya buat. Negative 5 campur 1, negative 4, betul? Okay, jadi the roots are negative 1 and positive 5. And since it's a greater than 0, you should shade externally like this. So, what is your range value of x? X must be less than negative 1 or x is more than 5. So, this should be your answer. Okay. Please zoom if necessary. Okay, so all done. Right. Okay, today we're going to enter the second derivative. Second derivative maksudnya apa dia? Okay, kita tengok the first time you do the derivative derivative maksudnya differentiation, sama maksud dia. Fx, you differentiate for the first time, we call first derivative, and you differentiate for the second time, we call second derivative, and the symbol like f prime prime. Okay. Kalau first you have y, you differentiate, dia akan jadi dy dx. You differentiate again the dy dx, it become d square y over dx square. Apa ni? Okay, something happened. Okay, dx dy square over d. Okay, d square y dx square lah. I don't know why it's run like that. Okay, so these are the symbol you need to take note lah. Okay, kalau dia cakap second derivative f prime prime ataupun d square y lah, kena ingat yang tu. You differentiate twice. Okay lah, buang this thing. Like cancer following. Hey. Hilang dah. Okay, sekarang. Okay, let's find the second order derivative for the following. Okay, dia bagi dari fx dulu. Kena ingat. Kita tak boleh jump straight away for the second derivative. You try to do your first derivative first. First derivative maksudnya first normal differentiation. Okay, yang ni kita, sorry. Yang ni I don't use quotient rule for this lah. Because the x is easily divide by the numerator. So, okay, right. We change the form first. Dia jadi x square because x power 3 dengan x power 1 will cut. I mean, you imagine like this lah. X pirci-pirci dengar. Okay. And then plus 8x minus 9 over x. Jadi x tu kita bawa atas, dia jadi negative 1 lah. Okay. Jadi f prime. Okay, just differentiate this part. You will get 2x plus 8 minus 1 dengan minus 9 multiply become 9x negative 2. Okay. Jangan tukar. Okay. Do your second order differentiation. Okay. Second order derivative. 2x kita differentiate dapat 2 saja. 8 tak boleh differentiate. And negative 2 multiply by 9. Negative 18. X dia. Dia akan jadi power negative 3. Jadi kita turun bawah dia. I skip the step lah. Okay, mesti nak சொல்லுங்க.
Done.
Done, sir.
Dan 1 dan 2. Mugilan dan
Done, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay, yang ni kita tukar dia punya form dulu. Fx is equals to bawa x saja sebab kita nak differentiate x, bukan 5. So, dia akan jadi x negative 3 minus 4x square plus x square root is power half lah. Jadi, f prime x dulu. Jadi, negative 3 kita darab dengan 2 per 5, dia akan jadi negative 6 per 5 x negative 4 minus 8x plus half x negative half. Make a key difference about how to differentiate your numbers and your power. Jangan semua size yang sama. Sampai saya tak boleh differentiate you punya power dengan you punya nombor. F prime prime x. Okay, negative 6 dengan darab dengan negative 4, dia akan jadi positive 24 over 5x power negative 5. Negatif 8 kita differentiate dapat negatif 8x lah. Differentiate negatif 8x kita dapat negatif 8 lah. Okay. And then this negative half multiply by half. You should be getting negative 1 over 4x. Negative 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 3 over 2. So your overall final answer should be 24 over 5x5 minus 8 minus 1 over 4 x power 3 over 2. Lebih kurang macam tu lah. Sorry, it's a f prime prime. Let me start simple. Check and see whether you all can get the same answer or not.
So if they want put insert form also can, right?
You also can express the answer in insert form. No problem.
Okay.
It will look like this. So it's a 4 power 3, or you can put the power 3 later also. Yo, sorry. My Microsoft Word ni kena rasuk ke apa ni? Dia lari sini, lari sana. Dia nak celebrate ni. Okay. So, you punya X square root and then can put power 3. Or you also can put like X3 macam tu juga. Boleh juga. Okay, to replace this. Can also.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Right. All done, eh?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, yang ini macam mana kita buat? Terpaksa buat quotient rule. There is no other way lah to do this. I mean, for your syllabus lah. Right, so tugas yang panjang tapi kita akan buat. The meeting was scheduled for 120 minutes by a user with a basic plan. The maximum meeting duration for a basic plan is 40 minutes. Okay, it will end in 5 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes. I think we cover this question, then I give you the new link. So, நீங்க கொஞ்சம் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு நாள் cover பண்ணிக்கிங்க. Because my previous recorder, I don't know, got some problem lah. Later, I'm going to fix the problem. Okay. So, meanwhile, I have to use this app lah. Terpaksa lah. Okay. Dia masih record. Okay, dia masih record. Let u equal to 2x plus 5. Du dx is equals to 2. V equal to x minus 1. dv dx is equals to 1. You should know how to differentiate it. Dia bagi sebenda simple je. Okay, so f prime x is equals to, start from your v, 2 multiplied by x minus 1 minus bracket 1 multiplied by 2x plus 5 over dia punya v kuasa 2. Jadi apa yang kita dapat? 2x minus 2 minus 2x minus 5 over x minus 1 square. Jadi 2x sudah hilang. Negative 2 and negative 5 is negative 7 x minus 1 square. Itu f prime lah. Okay. Sekarang f prime x kita boleh tulis sebagai x minus 1 negative 2. Lepas tu kita buatlah f prime prime x. So negative 2 you boleh darab this one. This one, take note. This one you need to do differentiate outside and differentiate inside method. Okay. Sebab you punya x is raised to the power that we cannot expand easily. So we need to do the differentiate outside or differentiate inside. So negative 7 multiplied negative 2 is 14. X minus 1. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3, the power. So we already done with differentiate outside. How about differentiate inside? Differentiate inside, you differentiate x, you dapat 1 balik lah. 1 tu tak perlu tulis juga. Tapi you nak tulis boleh lah. Okay. So 14 times 1 is 14. So x minus 1 cube. So that should be the answer. Okay, I close the recording and I give you the new link. Okay, don't see my message. You all cannot see. Okay, put it there. Stop sharing. What is this? Okay, it is recording. All right. Okay, next one. Oh, we got until where? D and E. Okay, Next one maybe little bit easy. Kalau dia pakai Y, okay, kalau dia pakai Y, ingat kalau dia pakai Y, kita guna dy dx. Okay, differentiate outside, differentiate inside case. So 8 ni kita bawa darab depan 3x plus 2 and then power 7. And then differentiate inside. 3x we differentiate, we get 3. So you cannot multiply with the 3x plus 2 because it's protected by this power 7. So 8 times 3 can lah 24. 3x plus 2 power 7. Itu dy dx. Kalau second order differentiation, kita akan tulis simbol dia betul-betul lah. D square y over dx square. Okay, 24 times 7. 24 times 7 is actually under 68. 3x plus 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then differentiate inside is 3. So what do you get? Under 68 times 3, you get 504. 3x plus 2 power 6. Okay. That means let me know faster. We can go more questions.
Done, sir.
Done
Done,
one,
sir.
done two. Ashwita? What happened to Ashwita? Please mic on பண்ணி பேசுமா. அந்த எனக்கு நானே இதுல புதுசா இருக்கேன். இதுல வர நான் மெசேஜ்லாம் செக் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, please on the mic and tell you are done. Okay. So I take talking you cannot hear. Yes, why is it so? This website problem. Navina can hear Ashwita talking.
No, sir, I didn't hear so.
See, no one here. சொல்ல பர விடு. Okay, it's okay. So let's change the form first. This one is x power half. And this should be x raised to the power of negative 2. Okay. Sebab saya belum differentiate saya hanya tukar bentuk saja. So I need to maintain my fx. Okay, now I want to differentiate this half x minus half. Sebab half minus 1 is negative half plus x. Sorry. Need to times in front, right? So negative 2 x power negative 3. Okay. So dia akan dapat apa? Tak payah. Jangan ubah dia punya bentuk. But we need to tidy our answer lah. Okay. Positive darab negative is negative 2x negative 3. From here you can calculate you express your second derivative. Negative half multiply by 1 over 2. Dia akan jadi negative 1 over 4 x. Negative 1 over 2 minus 1 is negative 3 over 2. And negative 3 multiply negative 2 is positive 6 x. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So you should be getting 1. Okay. Tied up your answer. So write x 3 over 2 plus 6 over x power 4. Ini jawapan terakhir kita lah. I think you mute your mic, Ashita, when you talk.
Okay, yeah.
Now I can hear you.
Okay, so done, sir.
See? Done one.
Done, sir.
Done 2.
Done, sir.
Done 3. Okay, right. Now, exercise 14 is just nonsense lah. Okay, I have to show this on all lah. Right. Okay. Okay, sekarang you kena cari F prime 3 dengan F prime prime 3. Okay, it's a basically boring question. Same thing lah. Okay, apalah, I show you very fast one. So, you are given fx like this. Okay, you're given fx like this. So we change the form first. It is actually x square minus 5 power half. Okay, now dia nak f prime 3 dengan f prime prime 3. That means before you find the value f prime 3, you need to find the expression of f prime and f prime prime. Lagi senang. Okay, so f prime x is 1 over 2 x square minus 5 power negative half, and then differentiate inside, you should be getting 2x. Okay, you boleh carilah f prime 3. Okay, you just substitute the x with 3 lah. And what is the answer, Mogulan? Now, Mogulan.
3 over 2.
3 over 2. Okay, right, good. So next, we find the f prime prime expression for f prime prime. Take from here lah. Okay. But we need to simplify a little bit lah. Okay, sebab you have 2x tergantung macam ni. So f prime x is equals to 2x dengan half, dia akan jadi just x. And then x square minus 5 power negative half. Oh no, it's not so easy. Okay, so it's actually multiplying. You cannot multiply inside the bracket also because you got raised to the power of negative half. So you need to use your product rule actually. Sebab dia darab kan, satu function darab another function. So u equal to x, du dx is equals to 1, v is equals to negative 1 over 2 x square minus 5, then negative 3 over 2, and dv dx, sorry, I actually differentiated this part. So your v should be x square minus 5 negative half. Okay, no need to panic. This one is, you no need to simplify the expression. Dia nak value saja kan. So once you apply the formula, you ganti masuk saja you punya f prime prime negative 3 lah. So f prime prime x is equals to, so x multiply by u dengan dv dx. Okay, multiply by negative 1 over 2. I forget to multiply the 2x here. Okay, never mind. I redo this part lah. I think I missed a lot of things here. Okay, wait. I redo this part. Okay, right. So now let u equal to x, du dx equals to 1. V is equals to, what is this? 1 over square root x square minus 5. Okay, I just change the form into proper one lah. And then the dx is negative 1 over 2 x square minus 5 power negative 3 over 2, and then times inside 2x. So dia akan jadi negative half multiply 2x, dia akan jadi negative x x square minus 5 power negative 3 over 2. Sebenarnya kita tak kisah pun dia kalau dia power negatif. Okay. So this one, you can write the original form also, no problem. Why? Because we don't want the expression, we want just the value, okay? So expression dia will be x multiplied by negative x multiplied by x square minus 5 power negative 3 over 2, okay? Plus, plus you punya x square minus 5 power negative half multiply by 1. 1 tu tak penting lah. Okay, now you already get the expression. Tak payahlah kamu nak simplify. No need. Okay, they never ask you the expression. They are just asking you the value. Just ganti lah x2. Okay, 3, negative 3, 3 square minus 5 power negative 3 over 2. And then plus 3 square minus 5 power negative 1 over 2 times 1. Dapatkan value dia. Navina, how much is that?
Sir, they asking negative 3, right, sir? Not 3, right?
Negative 3, okay, I didn't focus that. Negative 3, then negative 3 lah. Negative 3, so yang ni become jadi positive 3, Careful with that. Negative 3.
Sir, getting 13 over 8, sir.
13 over 8. Okay, let me check. I hope you all can understand my writing. Not negative 5 over 8.
Sorry, sir. I forget to change the 3. I put negative 3. Okay, so yeah, negative 5 for 8.
Negative 5 over 8, the answer. Okay, now I want you to try BCD. I already teach you a lot of question, right? Okay, saya bagi satu soalan 5 minit lah. Cuba buat B, C, and D. Saya buat saja tak adil lah. Kamu buat juga. Okay, cuba buat dulu. எப்படி pause பண்றதுனே தெரியல. ஐயோ, பேனல் கொடு. Okay. Recording. Okay, right. Started. Resume தானே பண்ணேன். Okay. Right. Question B, dia bagi A, find the value of T such that this condition. Okay, so okay, something wrong. Mana? Okay, right. So, what's that? dA dengan dt kita kena cari dulu dA dt dulu lah. dA dt is you differentiate A in respect with T, maksudnya. So 3t square plus 2t plus 3. Dan d square A over dt square adalah differentiate again your dA dt. So maksudnya kamu akan dapat 6t plus 2. So dia cakap apa? Follow the question. dA dt equal to d square A over dt square. So 3t square plus 2t plus 3 is equals to 6t plus 2. Okay. So bring everything at one side. 2t, 6t bawa dekat sini, negative 6t, positive 3, positive 2 bawa dekat sini, negative 2 equals to 0. So 3t square, 2t minus 6t is negative 4t. Positive 3 minus 2 is positive 1 equals to 0. Okay, and then you factorize as usual. So when you factorize, t minus 1, 3t minus 1 equals to 0. So t minus 1 equals to 0, so t is equals to 1. 3t minus 1 equal to 0, so t is equals to 1 over 3. Okay, these are the values of t. Okay, moving on. Question number C. Gx, given the function gx like this, then find the value of h if g prime prime 1 equal to 4. Okay, kita buat gx dulu. Gx dia adalah hx cube minus 4x square plus 5x. And then kita buat g prime dulu. 3hx square minus 8x plus 5. And then g prime prime 6hx minus 8 sahaja. Then kita ganti 1. That means 6h1 minus 8. And the answer should be 4. So 6h minus 8 equals to 4. 6h is equals to 12. H is equals to 2. Okay, that will be your answer. All getting this answer? Anyone getting different answer? So, everyone got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, all right. Next question. Why this is killer question? Okay, kamu tengok.
Fine, ready, sir.
Fine, ready.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you just need to find your expression for second order and expression for the first order, and then kamu just need to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. So before that, what is y, by the way? Okay, kita set aside for the y first. Xy is equals to, sebab kalau tak ada y, macam mana kita nak buat dy dx? So minus, minus 2, tak. Oh, kejap. Tak apa. Yang ni kita hantar pergi sana. So 3 plus 2x square lah kan. Jadi y ialah 3 over x plus 2x square over x. Menjadi 3 over x plus 2x. Okay, you jadikan y kamu macam ni dulu. Okay, right, you got your y ready. Okay, correct eh? Divide everything by x. Okay, right. Baik, sekarang kita nak cari dy dx pula. Okay, we change the form of y first. 3x negative 1 plus 2x. And then dy dx is negative 3x negative 2 plus 2 saja. And then d square y dx square is 6x negative 3 sahaja kan. Okay, now ganti everything. Ganti everything according to the equation. Let's say left hand side is equals to x square, d square y over dx square plus x dy dx. Okay, kita cuba ganti dia. X square, your second order differentiation, write in a proper term. 6 over x cube, sebab x power negative 3, kita hantar bawah dia. Dy dx dia adalah negative 3 over x square plus 2. Okay. Jadi, apa jawapan yang kita dapat? Okay. So, here, the x square dengan x cube dia akan potong kan? Dia akan tinggal x saja. Jadi, 6 over x. Plus, yang ni kena darab dua terms. So, x dengan x square kalau dia darab, dia akan dapat jawapan negative 3 over x sajalah. And then plus 2x. Okay. So, 6 minus 3. So 3 over x plus 2x. This is actually your left-hand side. What is your right-hand side? Right-hand side is your y. Y is also equals to 3 over x plus 2x. Kita dah cari tadi kan? 3 over x plus 2x. So, you boleh letak left-hand side is equals to right-hand side. Shown lah. Okay, that's how you prove it. Okay, let me know once you're done.
Done, sir.
Done one,
Done, sir.
done two, Asvita, mic on பண்ணி பேசுமா.
Wait, sir.
Oh, ஒன்னும் முடியலையா?
Done.
Okay, done two, done three. Okay, now the boring part already over. Okay, now we want to enter application of differentiation. Ada banyak-banyak macam-macam jenis application of differentiation lah. Okay, so I just want to let you know. The first thing we want to find the relationship between the gradient, tangent and normal. Once we done that, memang dia ada banyak soalan tapi kita akan buat benda yang penting saja. Okay, and then kita akan belajar tentang turning point and their nature. Second application, turning point. Third application, kita akan belajar maximum and minimum value. Okay. Fourth one is rate of change. Sudah keempat kan? Yang kelima, small change and approximation. I think until there only lah. Okay. Ada 5 jenis application. Application ni yang selalu keluar kat exam lah. So, the first thing I want to teach you is the relationship between the curve, tangent and normal lah. As I told you before, what is differentiation? Okay, differentiation is finding the gradient of a curve. Saya dah pernah ajar kamu masa saya define your what actually differentiation means. Okay, let's say we have a curve like this. Okay, there will be a line that touch at one point only. This line we call it as tangent line. Okay, and there we also can draw another line that is perpendicular to your tangent. Kita namakannya sebagai normal line. Okay, so this is your curve. Okay, now this is the relationship. Gradient of curve actually meaning the same as gradient of tangent. Also is equals to dy dx. Okay, dy dx. I explain this part, then I will put you the third link. Yana maximum 40 minutes only. Okay, so again, listen carefully. Gradient of curve, gradient of curve, gradient of tangent, gradient dy dx, it meaning the same thing. Maksudnya you kena cari dy dx. ஏன்னா நான் ஏற்கனவே உங்களுக்கு சொல்லியிருக்கேன் dy dx ஓட அர்த்தம் என்னன்னா ஒரு curve ஓட gradient. ஒரு curve ஓட gradient எங்க வரும்னா அந்த tangent-ஓட gradient-உம் curve-ஓட gradient-உம் ஒண்ணுதான். ஓகே, அந்த curve-க்கு நம்ம tangent வரையறோம். அதை வச்சு தான் நம்ம gradient கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். Okay, so you all already in your form 5 ready, right? That's why you learn your chemistry, right? Let's talk about a little bit about your chemistry. கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில வந்து நீங்க ஒரு சாரி யோ ஃபார்ம் 4ல நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. ரேட் ஆஃப் ரியாக்ஷன். ரேட் ஆஃப் ரியாக்ஷன்ல dia ada macam-macam graph kan. ஒரு கிராஃப் வந்து macam ni இருக்கும். நீங்க வந்து இன்ஸ்டன்டேனியஸ் ரேட் ஆஃப் ரியாக்ஷன் தேட போறீங்கன்னா, இன்ஸ்டன்டேனியஸ் ரேட் ஆஃப் ரியாக்ஷன்னா அது வந்து at that point, at that instant. jadi உங்க ஸ்கூல் செக் என்ன சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, இங்க ஒரு லைன் போட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் அங்க கிரேடியன்ட் தேடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. ஆக்சுவலி நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்கன்னா டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றீங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். அந்த கர்வ்க்கு நீங்க டென்ஜன் போட்டு வரைகிறீங்களே, அதுதான் டிஃபரன்சியேஷன். நீங்க அப்பவே அதை செஞ்சிட்டீங்க, ஆனா அது டிஃபரன்சியேஷன் உங்களுக்கு தெரியல, அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகேயா? அது டிஃபரன்சியேஷன் உங்களுக்கு தெரியல. ஓகே, ரைட். சரி, ஐ கிவ் யூ த நியூ லிங்க். ஸ்டாப் ஹியர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். Okay, right. So, where are we? Okay, now gradient of curve equal to gradient of tangent. Okay, tangent ko normal ko enna relationship na 90 degree, right? So kita dah pernah belajar dalam coordinate geometry, betul tak? Bahawa apa dia? Kalau ada dua line 1 and line 2, if they are perpendicular to each other, so m1 multiply m2 should be -1 kan? Here gradient of tangent multiply gradient of normal is equals to -1. Okay, so remember these two relationship, then we are good to go. Okay, sekarang kamu tengok. Find the gradient of tangent and equation of tangent and normal for the given point on the curve. And take note, your curve, your tangent, your normal, all passing through the same point. That means அந்த பாயிண்ட் அதாவது xy ன்னு வச்சுப்போமே அந்த பாயிண்ட் நீங்க curve ஓட ஈக்குவேஷனும் satisfy பண்ணோம் tangent ஓட ஈக்குவேஷனையும் satisfy பண்ணோம் normal ஓட ஈக்குவேஷனையும் satisfy பண்ணோம் ஏன்னா curve tangent normal மூணுமே வந்து அந்த சிங்கிள் காமன் பாயிண்ட்ல தான் pass through பண்ணுது okay right so now they give you a function of the curve like this it is passing through 0 1 nampak at point 0 1 கேக்குறாங்க so you want to find gradient of tangent very simple dy dx dia okay dy dx dia kita akan dapat 15x square minus 2 okay betul tak but this is in expression இது வந்து gradient of tangent பாருங்க அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் அது என்ன பாயிண்ட் பாஸ் த்ரூ பண்ணுது 0 1 தானே அப்ப அதுல x மட்டும் தான் நம்ம கன்சி பண்ண முடியும் டென்ஜன்ட்ல y இல்ல பாருங்க அதனால substitute x equals to 0 then so your dy dx now is equals to -2 okay so dy dx நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்க அப்புறம் equation of tangent என்ன அர்த்தம் tangent வந்து ஒரு straight line தானே y equals to mx plus c je lah tak boleh guna yang ni juga tapi I prefer to use y equal to mx plus c lah y equals to mx plus c so your gradient is -2x plus c okay and then substitute again because tangent is passing through also 0 1 ganti 1 வந்து மின்னுக்கு வந்துரும் so -2 இந்த 0 plus c so your c is equals to 1 வரும் therefore kamu punya equation adalah -2x plus 1 your normal straight line equation தேடுவீங்களா அதுதான் அது okay and then you want to find the normal so you need to find equation of normal carilah dia punya gradient of normal dulu gradient of, we know that gradient of tangent multiply gradient of normal equal to -1 right so gradient of normal always remember -1 over gradient of tangent simple -1 over gradient of tangent so -1 over what is your gradient of tangent see here -2 so jawapannya adalah 2 so y is equals to 2x plus c and then again ganti the same point so x0 na y இதுலயும் c வந்து equals to 1 வரும் therefore y is equals to sorry it is 1 over 2 not -2 -1 over 2 for positive 1 over 2 okay so 1 over 2x plus 1 okay sorry very limited space there if you're done let me know
Done, sir.
done 1 done 2
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
and 3 okay next one okay next one okay I try to write smaller a little bit lah okay so yang ini apa kita boleh buat kita darat dalam dululah okay y is equals to 2x cube minus 5 times 2 10x jadi gradient of tangent is dy dx Jadi kamu akan dapat 6x square minus 10. And then you substitute the point. Substitute x equals to 1. Tak payah substitute y sebab kamu tak ada y di kat sini. Okay. Right. So 6, 1 square minus 10. 6 minus 10. So it get negative 4. So y is equals to negative 4x plus c, the equation. And then now you substitute the same point, 1, negative 4. So negative 4 is equals to negative 4 times 1 plus c. Negative 4 plus 4 equals to c. Betul tak? Negative 4 pergi sana plus 4 kan? Jadi c dia adalah 0. Therefore, your equation of tangent is negative 4x sahaja. Okay. Actually, gradient of tangent and normal வந்து குயிக்கா எப்படி யோசிக்கலாம்னா, இப்ப பாருங்க நான் உங்களுக்கு series of gradient of tangent கொடுக்குறேன் பாருங்க. அப்ப gradient of normal என்ன வரும் நீங்க யோசிக்கணும். Okay, let's say 1. 1 over 2. Negative 3. 4 over 3. Negative 4 over 3 ya. And let's say positive 5. Saya tunjukkan 4 contoh yang cepat kamu nak brain gradient of normal. Gradient of normal எப்படி think பண்ணணும்னா, okay, if your gradient of tangent is positive, dia kena semua terbalik. Kalau you punya gradient of tangent is positive, di sini negative. Lepas tu, you kena terbalikkan pecahan dia. Kalau di sini 1 over 2, this is 2 over 1, which is 2. Macam tu. You tunjuk formula, lepas tu you terus bagi jawapan je lah. Tak payah tunjuk banyak-banyak benda. Kalau negatif, mesti positif lah. You punya gradient of normal. Dia letak 3. 3 means what? 3 per 1. Jadi dekat sini, dia jadi 1 per 3. Okay, negative 4 over 3. Di sini negatif, maksudnya di sini dia akan jadi positif. 4 over 3, kita terbalikkan 3 over 4 lah. Okay. Same here. You got 5 here. 5 actually 5 over 1. Positif tukar jadi negatif. 5 over 1 tukar jadi negative 1 over 5. Macam tu lah. Okay. So, gradient of normal is equals to 1 over gradient of tangent, which is equals to 1 over negative 4. So, negative 1 over 4 lah. I'm sorry. Tadi saya bagi formula silap. Kejap. Mana dia? Where is it? Betul lah. Negative 1 over MT. Okay, negative 1 over MT. Dia akan jadi positive 1 over 4 lah. Okay, first, you punya gradient of normal, you sudah dapat 1 over 4. So, y is equals to 1 over 4x plus c. As usual, substitute. You punya 1 and negative 4. Negative 4 is equals to 1 over 4 times plus 1 plus c. Sorry, times 1 plus c. So, negative 4 minus 1 over 4. Equals to c. So, c kamu akan menjadi negatif berapa ni? 16 negatif apa? Negative 17 over 4. So, therefore, you punya answer y is equals to 1 over 4x minus 17 over 4. Hello? அப்புறம் கிளாஸ் பண்ணியாச்சு இப்போ நான் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சோன்னு பேசுங்க. Okay, right. Okay, guys, settle this. Let me know once you're done, then we can continue the next part. Okay, so ஓகேயா? நீங்க ஒண்ணு முடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா டன் சொல்லிருங்க. நீங்க பாட்டு அடுத்த கேள்வி செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருப்பீங்க. எல்லாரும் அதே செஞ்சீங்கன்னா, அப்ப நான் இங்க வந்து யார்கிட்ட பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறது? Then I'm going to do the next part. Please considerate for others. Don't be selfish. Okay, this one. Y is equals to x over 2x plus 7. So if you see at the first glance, you already recognize that I'm going to do the quotient rule for this. There is no other way to do this according to your syllabus lah. Right. So let u equal to x. So du dx is equals to 1. V is equals to 2x plus 7 and dv dx is equals to 2. So to find your dy dx, it's a quotient rule. So start from your v, 2x plus 7 multiply by 1. Okay, no need to write. Minus 2 times x, 2x lah, over v square, 2x plus 7 square. So jawapannya apa dia? 2x buang. Jadi kamu akan dapat 2x plus 7 square. But you need to substitute. Substitute x equals to 0. So 7 over 7 square lah kan? Betul tak? 7 over 2 times 0 is 0 plus 7. 7 square is 49. So 7 over 49, which is equals to 1 over 7 actually. So your dy dx is 1 over 7. So y is equals to 1 over 7x plus c. And then substitute 0 and 3. So 3, 1 over 7 multiplied by 0 plus c. So cut this. So c equals to 3. Therefore, y is equals to 1 over 7x plus 3. And then you want to find your equation of normal. Kita kena cari gradient of normal dulu. Gradient of normal is negative 1 over gradient of your tangent. So tadi berapa? 1 over 7. Tukar jadi negative 7 je lah. Okay. So y is equals to negative 7x plus c. And then again substitute 0, 3. So 3 is equals to negative 7 times 0 plus c. So times 0 you boleh potong. So c is again 3. Therefore y is equals to negative 7x plus 3.
Done, sir.
Done 1,
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
done 2, done 3. Okay. Right. Okay. This one all problem solving question lah. But actually we already covered lah everything. I'm not going to do every part here, but we are going to do a few questions from here. Okay. Right. I think I will show you part A first. Part A dia ada unknown Okay. Soalan macam ni boleh keluar dalam paper 1 lah. Okay, the curve y equal to ax square plus bx as gradient negative 14 and 7 when x equal to half and x equal to 2. Kena pandai baca dia punya soalan. Okay, gradient tu apa dia? Gradient curve as gradient. Maksudnya gradient of curve maksudnya dy dx. Okay, so your y is equals to ax square plus bx negative 1 lah. Kalau dy dx 2ax minus bx negative 2. Okay, and then put in a proper term b over x square kan. So this is what we call gradient of the curve. Okay, gradient of the curve is negative 14 when x equals to half. Baca balik soalan dia. And it is also the gradient equal to 7 when x equals to 2. Jadi kita buat dia punya ni lah. You tengok. Dia ada bagi dua information, dua unknown, simultaneous lah. Apa lagi? So, it's not a big surprise for us. When x equals to half. So, your dy dx is equals to 14. Negative 14, sorry. Negative 14. So, ganti je lah you punya dy dx. Okay. 2a half minus b half square. And the answer is negative 14. Okay, simplify this answer. Half and 2 cut. So, kamu akan dapat a minus b over 1 over 4. Dia akan jadi 1 over 4. Dia naik atas, dia akan jadi 4b. Okay. Tak percaya, you boleh buat dalam calculator lah. 1 over 1 over 4 is negative 1 over 1 over 4. Dia akan jadi negative 4 lah. Is equals to negative 14. Equation number 1. Okay, then when x equals to 2, the dy dx is equal to 7. So, 2a7 minus b over 7 square. I'm sorry, you need to replace the 7 with 2. The answer was 7. Equals to 7. So 4a minus b over 4 equals to 7. To get rid of this 4, we multiply the whole equation by 4. So to get rid of this 4, so 16a minus b equals to 28. Equation number 2. And then, of course, you can, you can solve by simultaneous equation. Before that, let me check whether everything we did correct or not. So x negative 2, 1 over 2, 4, negative 4b, okay. All right, so okay. 2a to 4a minus b over 2 square, so okay. 2 square is 4. And times 4 the whole thing. Okay, right. So, kita buat simultaneous lah. 16a minus b equals to 28. Kita minus equation 1 tu kita darab dengan 16 lah. Okay, dia akan jadi 16a. I put in bracket. And then 4 times 16 is 64b. And negative 14 times 16. 2 to 4. Okay, and then we minus this equation. 16 minus 16 gone. Negative 1 minus minus is plus 64 is 63b. 28 minus minus is plus 2 to 4 is 252. And when you divide by 63, b is equals to 4. So when b is equals to 4, so a minus b, 4 times 4 equals to negative 14. So you can find your a value ready lah. Negative 14. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Go there, positive 16. So 16 minus 14, a is equals to 2. Okay. This is the answer for part A lah. This is the answer for part A. So let me know you done with part A or not.
Answer.
Done 1,
Done, sir.
done
Done,
2,
sir.
done 3. Okay. Now, அடுத்த question பாருங்க. Question B, apa dia tanya? Find the coordinate of point. Sekarang dia suruh cari coordinate of point on the curve. Dia suruh cari apa? Coordinate lah. where the gradient of the tangent is 0. Kena tahu apa dia maksudkan di sini. Gradient of tangent is what? Dy dx. Is 0. What is the tangent lah? What is the coordinate lah? So, okay, right. Tadi kita dah tentukan nilai A dan B kan? Okay, now let us complete our dy dx. Dy dx initially it was 2ax minus b over x square. Lepas tu kita dah cari A dengan B punya value kan? A ialah 2. A ialah 2. 2 darab 2, 4. 4x minus B. B ialah apa? B ialah 4. 4 over x square lah. Okay, now this dy dx we let equals to 0. Cari dia punya x. Oh, panjang lah soalan ni. Okay, you tak boleh bawa x square terus pergi sana sebab di sini it's not a single fraction. So kita kena darab the whole equation. Okay, this one I do separately at here lah. Where to do? Y'all can see the blank document here. Can see or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, right. So we take the whole equation, we multiply by 4 first. So 16x minus, wait. Why I multiply by 4? It is over by x square, right? So we multiply by x square. So dia akan jadi 4x cube minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so 4x cube is equals to 4. X cube is equals to 1. So x is equals to cube root of 1, which is equals to 1. Okay. So, kita dah cari the x coordinate. Nak cari y, ganti balik dalam y lah. When x equals to 1, substitute into equation of curve. What is your y? Let us see. Your y is ax square plus b over x. Ax square, a tu 2 kan? Ax square plus b dia 4 over x. Betul lah. Ax square plus b over x. Ax square plus b over x. Okay. So substitute lah. 2, 1 square plus 4. You jangan pergi cari dekat tangent. Memang you tak akan jumpa lah. I mean, dy dx, you tak akan jumpa you punya y. Tapi you boleh guna you punya equation of curve. Sebab saya dah bagi tahu, curve ke, tangent ke, normal ke, they all pass through the same point. The question will be like that lah. Normally. Alright. So, this one is what? 2 plus 4. So, 6 lah. So, therefore, the coordinate is 1 and 6. When dy dx is 0.
Done, sir.
Then 1,
Done, sir.
then 2,
Done, sir.
then 3. Okay. Right. So, back to here. Okay. I think you need more practice on tangent normal lah. Kita ada 15 minit je. Jadi, I think the other application all kita akan pergi minggu depan lah. Hari ni you focus this part only lah. So, this one all like, you know the thing ready, just the problem solving regarding that. Okay. Okay, I want you to try this question. Question number 3. Page number 29. I don't know. I already enter wrongly just now. The page number solved. Example 17. Question number 3. Okay, cuba buat yang ni. Kalau dah siap, you boleh try other example lah. I give you 10 minutes before we end the class. The other question, make sure you do by own lah. I later share you the answers. Okay? மற்றதெல்லாம் வீட்டு பாடம் ஒண்டியா தான் செய்யணும். I cannot guide all the questions here. Okay, do this question. Okay, ada 5 minit sajalah. Saya teruskan perbincangan. Okay, tangent to the curve at point this. Okay, tangent to the curve at point this intersect x-axis at point B. Find the distance of A and B. Okay. Things. Okay, all here. Right, sorry, yeah. It's ended. Okay, right. So, dia dah bagi tahu tangent to the curve at this point intersect x-axis at point B. Kena faham dia punya soalan betul-betul dulu. Tangent to the curve, this type of curve is what? Actually, dy dx. Kalau dia cakap tangent to the curve, maksudnya dy dx. I mean the line like this, okay? At point 43. Intersect the x-axis at point B. Maksudnya kita kena cari equation of tangent dulu. Baru kita boleh cari di mana dia intersect, betul tak? Tangent is a straight line, okay? So, kita cari equation of tangent dulu. dy dx is what? So, before that, y is equals to 2x plus 1 power half. Right. You will having this power half. Okay. Right. So, when you differentiate this, you get 2x plus 1 and negative 1 over 2. And boleh ganti. Kejap, saya tulis properly first. Okay. Dia akan jadi macam ni lah. 1 over 2 is power negative 1 over 2 kilo கொண்டு போனா power positive 1 over 2 ஆயிரும். So, square root lah. Positive, ada 1 over 2 power na, என்ன அர்த்தம்? Square root lah, 2x plus 1. Okay, ini dy dx dia. So, at point what? At point A. Jadi kita gantilah, substitute. X equals to point A, x வந்து எவ்வளோ? 4. Kita cuba ganti. Okay, so 1 over 2. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So, 1 over 2 times 3 lah. Is equals to 1 over 6. Okay. Then, y is equals to 1 over 6x plus c. Betul tak? Equation of tangent. Kita cari kenapa equation of tangent. Kenapa kita tak stop dekat gradient saja. Sebab dia tak bagi tahu gradient to the curve. Dia bagi tahu tangent to the curve. Maksudnya tangent, kita kena focus on equation of tangent. Okay. Now, again, substitute you punya 4 and 3. So, 3 is equals to 1 over 6 times 4 plus c. So, 2 over 3 plus c is equals to 3. So, 3 minus 2 over 3 is equals to c. So, c is equals to what? 9 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So, 7 over 3. So, therefore, y is equals to 1 over 6x plus 7 over 3. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, to find the dy dx, we have to times into, right, sir? At first.
Oh, okay, right. We need to differentiate inside also, right? Betul-betul.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So, that means the 2 and 2 cut. So, you will... Thank you. So, the 2 will hilang lah. So, here, dia jadi 1 over 3 sajalah. Okay. Okay, thank you for pointing out. Yeah, I forget the differentiate inside one. So, 2 and 2 you cut off. Get, yeah, now it's correct. So, ganti x equal to 4. 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 1 over 9. So, square root 9 is 1 over 3. So, 1 over 3x plus c. So, 3 is equals to 1 over 3 times 4 plus c. So, 3 minus, what is this? 4 over 3 is equal to c. So, c is equals to 9 over 3 minus 4 over 3 is 5 over 3. So, therefore, y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 5 over 3. Okay. Lepas tu, apa dia cakap? Step by step. Intersect x-axis. Kalau dia intersect x-axis, apa maksud dia? X-intercept lah. Betul tak? Kalau x-intercept, maksudnya apa dia? Your y0 lah. Okay. At x-intercept, y equal to 0. Okay. You kena pandai catch dia punya soalan. So, so you ganti, don't ganti the y equal to 0 in the equation of curve. Dia cakap tentang tangent, bukan curve. So, 0 is equals to 1 over 3x plus 5 over 3. And negative 5 over 3 is equals to 1 over 3x. So, x should be negative 5 lah. Alright, x should be negative 5. So, therefore, the point B is negative 5 and 0. Sebab apa? 0 sebab dia x-intercept. Okay, tapi soalannya dia minta apa? Distance of AB. So, your A is 4 and 3. Your B is negative 5 and 0. And then you can use your distance formula. So, AB is equals to, use your distance formula, coordinate geometry. So, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So, apa yang kamu dapat? So, 9 square, 81. 3 square is 9. So, square root 90. Square root 90 boleh simplify lagi lah. Which is 3 sub 10 lah. Boleh juga. Tak ada masalah. So, that is your question A. Okay. Salin cepat.
Done, sir.
Done 1.
Done, sir.
Done 2.
Done, sir.
Done 3. Okay. Now, tangent to the curve. Oh, another question. Okay. Okay. Tangent to the curve y equal to hx at point 1,1.5 is parallel to the normal. Oh, this one will take a lot of time lah to do. Okay. Right. The tangent to this curve is parallel to the normal of this curve. Find the value of h and k. Oh my god. Okay. Right. Tak apalah, ini soalan dia panjang saja tapi dia tak susah lah. Okay. So, we do the first இதோட அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க, இதோட டென்ஜனும் அதோட நார்மலும், அதோட டென்ஜனும் அதோட நார்மலும் தேடுங்க. Very simple. hx cube plus kx plus 2 is your y. And then cari dy dx for this line. Kamu akan dapat 3hx square plus k sahaja. And then substitute x equals to 1. Jadi kamu akan dapat x1 now and 1 square is 1 lah. So 3h plus k is your dy dx, which is your gradient of tangent. Okay, gradient of tangent. Okay, now for the second line, normal to the curve. Ini susah sikit lah, dia panjang sikit lah. The second curve is y is equals to x square plus 6x plus 4. Kalau kita cari dy dx dia, 2x plus 6 sahaja. And then, and also this is the gradient of tangent. To differentiate, I put tangent 1 and this is tangent 2 lah. Okay. So, you nak cari gradient of normal. Sorry, before that, you need to substitute. Substitute x equals to, for this curve, x-nya adalah negative 2. So, 2 negative 2 plus 6. So, 6 minus 4. 2. So, this is your gradient of tangent 2. So, what is your gradient of normal 2? Why I put 2 the second line to avoid confusion. Okay, so negative 1 over 2 lah. Kita tahu lah, positif tukar jadi negatif. And then pecahan diterbalikkan. Saya galakkan kamu guna M1, M2 lah. Okay. Right. So, apa dia cakap sekarang? The tangent to the curve is parallel to the normal to the curve. Maksudnya, gradient of tangent 1, kalau konsep parallel, maksudnya apa dia? Gradient dia kena sama of gradient of normal 2. Itu maksud dia lah. So, what is your gradient of tangent 1? 3h plus k should be equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, but this not going to find anything yet. We will at least find one of the equation lah. So, 2 ni kita darat dekat sini, 6H plus 2K equals to negative 1. Equation number 1. Okay. And then another equation, how to cari. Ganti this 1 and 1 and a half into this. Okay. So, because this curve also passing through this point, what? 1 over 2 is equals to H1 cube plus K1 plus 2. Okay. From here, 1 over 2 is equals to what? H plus K plus 2. And then 2 bawa P dekat sini. Dia akan jadi negative 2. Half le 2 le negative, half minus 2 is negative 3 over 2. And then kita darab 2, the equation. Dia akan jadi 2H plus 2K. Equation number 2. And then you need to solve by elimination or substitution. Doesn't matter. Equation dia 6H plus 2K is equals to negative 1. And 2H plus 2K is negative 3. Try to minus the equation. 6 minus 2H is 4H. Negative 1 minus is positive 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore your H is equals to 1 over 2. Whereas your K, you kena carilah, substitute H equals to half into negative 1 plus 3. Betul lah, 2 lah. 4H plus 3. 3 minus 1. 2 lah. Okay, into 1. So 6 half plus 2K equal to negative 1. So 3 plus 2K equal to negative 1. So 2K is equals to negative 4. And K is equals to negative 2. So this should be the working. Please screenshot. I have another class to go.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, done 1.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
2, done 3. Okay, please complete the question 2, question 1, and also these questions all. The tangent and the normal. You kena biasakan diri. Gradient of tangent na enadhu, gradient of normal na enadhu, equation of tangent na eppadi kandupidikkum, equation of normal na eppadi kandupidikkum. You kena biasakan diri. Jadi saya galakkan kamu siapkan semua ni. Nanti saya akan display the answer lah dalam group. Okay? Jangan saya display answer baru you nak buat ataupun you nak tengok saja tak mau buat. Jangan. Okay, itu sajalah untuk minggu ini. Kita akan jumpa pada kelas yang akan datang. All the pending replacement we will done throughout this Raya week lah. So I will discuss with you lah if I got any replacement with you. Okay, that's all guys. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, yeah.